we're gonna like just talk
Here
about
we
vlog
go.
or Vlogmas.
Vlogmas, girl.
Okay.
Another day, another Vlogmas.
Hey, doggy. Cute.
They said doggy. You guys are saying doggy is stealing every show. Every show he is stealing.
Look cute.
Here he is again.
Look at them.
So today
we
are going
to go car shopping with
Adam.
Sir Lancelot.
We call him Sir Lancelot.
Sir Lancelot, Lothario,
Bust it.
everything. So he is got money, he ain't afraid to spend it.
Yeah.
So he's going to go out to look for a car.
His first car.
His very first car.
So yeah. And he went out with Spencer. But you know, get 2 more pairs of eyes. You know, and see what else we can
They
find.
had one that they had their mind set on. It was a Toyota, and I was kind of like all in with that one. Sight kind of unseen. They saw it, so I trusted their
judgment.
Their judgment. But when they got there, like a few days later, because we were supposed to go like that Wednesday, I think, and it was pouring rain, torrential rains, and I said, could we cancel it? And we did, and then the very next day it was gone.
Yeah, so it was like he saw it over the weekend. You told the guy he would be back for it. He wanted to come back. He wanted to go back with you. But then that day you were supposed to go back, it was like a terrible storm, like literally like 50 miles an hour winds. Like it was like horrible. I'm like, it's no day to walk a car lot. And
Definitely
so
not.
he rescheduled it, I think, for 2 days later, and 2 days later the car was gone. So now he has to find a new car.
Yes.
So that's what we're going out to look for today. He has like his heart set on this one car dealership, and like we go to this area in Milford, Connecticut. It's like Boston, I think it's Post Road or something.
Yeah,
and
it's the whole strip.
The whole strip is just car dealerships. There's like BMW over there, and Toyota over there, and Honda, and Nissan, and like Chevy. It's like a whole strip of car places. And I'm like, so let's just look at them all. So that's what we're doing today. It's like 30 degrees outside. It's cold. I have some meetings and stuff, so I'm bringing my work stuff, and I'll be in the car with Doggy, and y'all gonna be marching the lots, girl.
I don't know about all that. So I said I had my negotiating shirt on. Yeah, you told Doggy. I said when they start working deals, because used car salesmen, I'll be like,
They start negotiating. Nope. Power Black. Use code MADCURLS. Okay. So that's what's happening. We have to go to the car. I have to get Doggy some stuff for the car. I think he had a little bit too many treats yesterday.
Oh my
Because his tummy was upset last night, so we won't be having any of those today, but I'll pack some water.
But you're going to be a good boy.
Some food, his car seat, his toys. Make sure I have all my stuff, and we're going to go to the car and see how the day goes down today.
Dealerships are dog friendly, so you can go. Yeah, you can go. I know, you can go. That's where you're going.
It's gonna be fun, I think. Okay. All right, guys. See you in the car.
In the car or the car lot?
The car lot. Come on out. Okay.
One of them.
So me and Doggy are in the back seat. LoriAnne and Adam are up front. She said to give him the. There she is. Doggy has his own car seat. Oh my gosh, it's like Mr. Toad's Wild Ride in here.
Why you accelerate as you're going around a bend? It's gonna be a long day.
My foot was on the back. Doggy has his own car seat, but he keeps coming over here to my side. I'm like, I need you to stay over there. Stay over there. I've never driven with Adam. You have before. So we are at the car dealership. We're at Toyota. We started this car ride with Adam driving and my mom in the front seat. Now it's me driving with Adam in the front seat.
I'm a horrible backseat driver.
Yeah. He couldn't take the backseat driving, so we had to switch.
No.
So I'm driving.
I know.
But now we are here. Doggy's getting ready to ride in your purse.
He's in my purse. He's so little. I'm on the purse.
We'll see how he does in there.
You ready to go in? Oh my goodness, you're so cute.
He's so cute.
Okay.
Oh, no.
It's such a car dealership. Oh, look at Nissans. See, that's what I said. See, like you can go like to any.
But I prefer like a sedan compared to an SUV. SUV is so more expensive.
No, you probably, yeah, you definitely want to like a little, what's a sedan? Like this is a sedan? Is this a sedan?
This is a sedan. I figured something bulky like that, SUV, this sedan.
Yeah, no, you don't want anything bulky, but I'm saying like, see how we're at Toyota, but they have Nissans? So like you can, you could go to Nissan.
No.
You could go to Nissan and find a Toyota. I'm just saying. But yeah.
Exactly.
So.
Like every car dealership has just used cars because people bring stuff and trade. Like if you were gonna get something, you trade this in or something, and so this would be a Nissan on a another lot.
Right.
Yep.
All right. So let's head in, see what kind of cars they have. Okay.
Stop with the camera. Okay, we're at the car dealership now. And he's a little ambivalent. We never seen him kind of like nervous.
Yeah, he was nervous. He was shaking before.
Yeah, he's a little nervous. And Dougie, why are you nervous? You normally like people. When you're getting older, you know when kids and doggies get older, they know more, so they're like they fear more. When you're a little nervous.
You drive stick? Yeah.
I was looking at it's a Toyota. What is it?
Did you say Corolla? You said the same engine as Corolla.
Okay, it's a 2017 Toyota Yaris.
Yep.
IA 2017, 15,000, 29,000 miles. Actually, this is a nice car. I wouldn't mind it. I ain't mad. So I guess he's gonna ride this one around. It's like a bluish black color. It kind of sparkles. It's a beautiful car. It's nice. So Adam's gonna drive this one around. So we are sitting in here. Adam is taking that car for a test drive. We're not sitting in the car for the test drive. Or you could barely drive up here with Adam. So you won't be sitting for the test drive.
Absolutely not. But what is it?
You would have said, I said we have to show LoriAnne's outfit of the day because she has like everything. She has like a green tracksuit on.
Girl, stop calling it a tracksuit, girl.
Girl, isn't it a tracksuit when the jacket and the bottoms match?
Yes, baby. I just call them sweats, girl.
Okay. Okay, she has a sweat jacket, matching green sweat pants, and red shoes. She looks like Christmas. And the Christmas scarf. I said we're gonna get her outfit of the day.
Yes, girl. Red shoes that I got Black Friday at the house.
She just made fun of my coat. It's linty.
Guys, like what? All right. This is making me like.
What is, is it upside down?
No, it's weird. Like, is it?
I think it is upside down because these are going up here. This is supposed to be at the bottom.
Okay, I gotta flip it. Okay, hold on.
Hold please. Doggy needed a break, so we're outside getting some fresh air. It's a nice day. Sun's out. Sun's out. Doggy's out. My sweet dogginess. Doggy, what's in there?
So now we're doing all the particulars. Adam is a proud owner of a brand new car. So we're just waiting patiently.
So me and Doggy came to the car for a food break. One thing about me, I need my food. So I packed a snack, thank God, because I know myself. I packed some chips and some cheese, and now I'm eating my cookie. And yeah, I needed a break. And so did Doggy. He's back there. He's sitting up right now, but he's probably gonna take a nap because we're still here. Adam's signing all the paperwork and stuff like that, but I had to get me a snack because I was getting hungry.
So Adam got his car. Here it is. And meet the man, the very nice man from Colonial Toyota, Milford, Connecticut.
Okay, we came in when it was light and now it's dark, and so Keith's been working with us all day. Adam's gonna be driving off with his own car.
Yep.
Congratulations to the both of you.
So Keith, so tell him about a little bit about the place and come on down and meet you.
Yeah, well, we are the #1 Toyota dealership in Connecticut. Again, my name is Keith Evans. I'm one of the sales reps here, and we've been giving great deals all year, really. This month, next month, whenever you guys decide to come down, make sure you ask for me. And again, congratulations to the Wesleys.
Thank you. Thank you, Keith. Okay. There he is.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay, because poor doggy's been hanging in there all day.
I know.
All right. Here's LoriAnne with her outfit of the day. So typically people stand up, but you've never been one to follow the rules.
Girl, I said I have to about thug pose, girl.
Okay, girl, bust it.
Girl.
So this is her outfit: green jacket, green pants. Look at the socks, Christmas socks, red Uggs.
Guys, I don't know where I came up with it. What is this outfit?
Girl, you never match. I was shooketh when I saw you. I'm like, oh my gosh, you're matching.
Like, that's why you're making fun of it. Guys, she's been making fun of it. I don't think she really wants me to do it.
Girl, I love it. I think it's
I
adorable.
laugh along with you, girl.
Girl, I think it's adorable. I love
Do
it. It's so Christmassy. It's really Christmassy.
Girl, this is like olive green. This is like desert.
Girl, it's green and red. It's Christmas. Period. Hold on. Girl, smile for thumbnail. Doggy. He's silly.
Doggy. Oh, good boy. Oh, you are so sweet. You are so sweet.
Okay, love it.
You are so
Okay, guys.
sweet.
Bye,
God,
guys.
this tongue. Oh my God, the tongue is so cute.
Oh, so sweet.
So sweet.
Oh my god.
Show me the kisses. Show me the kisses. Hey guys, it's been how many days removed? But let's see, we did it Monday, so today's Wednesday, right?
Today's Wednesday,
So
yes.
it's 2 days removed. So after we left the car dealership, me and Tay, and then Adam stayed back and did whatever they do, like, you know, fix the car, vacuum it, all of that. Then we've been home for 2 days now, and so today I went back again, once again, a learning lesson as being new to all of this stuff, you know, 30-year marriage, all of that, and I'm learning all this stuff. So one of the new things that I've learned is how to buy a car.
How to buy a car.
It was brand new. I had no clue how to do that. And so if you have no clue how to do that, then you go to this car dealership, because this was the best experience. Because y'all know I can be busted. Y'all know I can't help myself. Okay, and so I was busted, and so I just went over that contract with a fine-tooth comb, not having any knowledge, but trying to learn and Googling things and seeing things. But like, you have, each experience you have to take on its own. So ours was a unique experience, and it was taken on that. So when I questioned everything, guys, I was highlighting everything. I just was highlighting everything and Googling everything and learning everything, and it was already set to go up there and be Lori. Okay. Be busted. And so, but I went up there and I spoke with the manager, the
financial guy?
maybe the financial guy or
financial
something.
guy?
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't the guy that you guys met. No.
Yeah, Keith. He was the car salesman.
Yeah, and then the other one is the one in the office, the finance
guy, Mike.
Yeah. Okay.
Mike.
So went into Mike's office today and had all my highlighted stuff and all my questions, whatever. And he really took it through, like with me, like a fine-tooth comb. I was able to ask as many questions as I wanted to, and I love that, because like, people always try to shut me up, and I hate that. Like, I have questions, and no matter how many times I asked the questions, no matter which way I took it, like, he always was just patient and answered those questions. So, because buying a car is very scary. Okay, it's just a lot of money, and you have to just make sure everything's right. I had to dot all my I's and cross all my T's. A lot of things I didn't understand, and he explained it to me.
Yeah.
So I think I know for a fact that it was a good deal. I'm very glad that, as they always said, we're gonna put you in a car. He put us in a car.
Yeah.
Okay, he put us in a car.
And like, broke it down, because he really did go through that. And you could tell, I think he said he'd been doing it for like 22 or 25 years. He was very knowledgeable. No matter what question you had, no matter what you were pointing out, he could explain it to you this way. He could take it back the other way and explain it. And we were really sitting there like learning. It was almost like how to buy a car 101 and like read the car contract and stuff. Like, he was really patient.
And then even stepping outside of like car buying, he was just kind of showing me what to look for, like when you look on your credit and the things to clean up. Like, there's two things that are on my credit that like it's causing problems. Like, I never know like it was causing a problem. I knew it was there. I didn't know it was on my credit. I knew those bills were out there, but I didn't know it was causing a problem, and it's causing a problem.
Yeah.
So so definitely either he said negotiate with the creditor for a lower price, or just see what they can do, you know, but definitely like get that off your credit. Those are the things that are holding things up. Definitely late payments, all of that stuff matters when you're buying a car.
Yeah.
So
we had this idea of what car dealerships are going to be like. So I think when stuff, you thought it was going in like one direction, like you were already like, aha, like this is, but this particular place, like I feel like you have to trust where you go.
Yes.
And now we said going forward, we definitely trust, what's a Colonial Toyota in Milford. Like, I would definitely go back there. Like, I know my car, I've had my car for like 5 years. And so when I'm ready to trade it in or get something new, I would definitely go there, because, you know, they're trustworthy, and that's what you want to look for.
It's almost like,
you know?
like a lot of these professions, like you don't trust, like, you know, car salesmen, like you think, okay, you can't do that. You know, sometimes doctors, you just don't trust. People always think people want their money, because that's the bottom line. You do think people want your money, like no sense in lying about it, you do. So I already went in there thinking, number one, I was a woman, you know, so I'm going to bring in all the stereotypes, I'm going to bring in all of this now, so those that can't understand this, like, click out now, that we say. But no, I did think that only like men could buy cars, or if you needed to go buy a car, make sure you had a man with you, and all of this kind of stuff. And I'm just seeing like the growth. I'm just seeing like how I'm doing this now. Yeah. You know, we're doing this together today. Me and you both went up there together and sorted it all out. And so, but you have to trust where you're going. You have to trust your doctors. That's why they always say get recommendations from people who recommended you to this place. So definitely, I can say from firsthand knowledge that this is a place I would go to. Yeah. I don't know about other places in Connecticut or whatever, but I'm really liking this place.
Colonial Toyota in Milford. Yeah. Go see Keith and go see Mike. So yeah, that's definitely where I'm going when I'm ready.
MADCURLS sent you.
Tell him MADCURLS sent you. But yeah, no, when we like people, we like to put people on. So I was like, let's just do another little snippet in this vlog. You know, Vlogmas, 'tis the season to give back. So if you're in the market to get a car or whatever you're looking for, that is your place. If you were in the area, tri-state area, people buy cars out of state.
People do all the time.
You know,
yeah.
go see them because they were awesome.
Girl, step to the side. Cause look at them. This is just ridiculousness right here. You guys keep seeing me. Look at them. Okay, so
should we share?
Oh, we have to share.
So you guys saw in the vlog that doggy came with us the first time, but today he did not come with us. So he had a little alone time in his crate, and he hasn't, since we got him, that's where he slept. He always slept in the crate, but the past, I would say about 2.5 weeks, I've brought him into my room, and he basically has had no crate time for like 2.5 weeks. So today going back in there, it seems like it's traumatized him. And
he's shaking like a leaf.
When we took him out, he was shaking, and it was just a lot of drama. And now he just needs to be constantly loved and petted right now.
Come here. What are you eating? Yeah, normally, like, Spencer will watch him during this time. No, he came in here and he's just, like, all clingy. I could barely, like, pick out my hair or anything because he's just, like clingy. Just keep jumping on my chest to just let me know, like, I'm here, like as if we could miss him. But, yes, we know in the comments you guys are going to be coming and saying he, like, it's horrible. We're horrible pet parents. And he has separation anxiety and all
That's
that.
what I was trying to, that's what I said today. I was like, he's going to have, doggy, what are you eating? He's always eating something. I was like, he's going to have separation anxiety. I'm like, so he needs to have his alone time. So that's what I call myself. Girl, probably a piece of paper. He's chewing for a long time. It's probably paper. That's what I called myself doing today. And might be too late. He already has it. Because he was upset. Dogginess. It's like the jaws of life.
But it's also, again, like we said, his breed. His breed, they say, wants to be around you 24/7. So we understand this, and we try to accommodate him. Why not? Who couldn't accommodate him?
You still have a piece? You still have... Oh, doggy's fresh boy. It is fresh. Dude, like, oh my gosh, dogs and toilet paper and paper towels. I just cannot.
I know.
Doggy, he's so busted. All right. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of Vlogmas, and
we shall see you in our next video.
See you in our next video.
All right. Bye.